So, it's 2025, and who doesn't want to make money online in this era with the help of internet? From teenagers like me to elderly people are finding out ways to make money online. So in this video, I am going to share 5 not so common ways to make money online through internet. So make sure to watch this video till the very end. क्या पता मैं एक आधी extra tip भी share कर दूँ. So make sure to watch this video till the very end. Our first step is templates. Templates literally work magical. Like templates are just the basic layouts. For example, when we used to be in like 5th grade, 7th grade, एंड हमें लेटर राइटिंग नहीं आती होती थी, हमने एप्लीकेशन लिखनी थी स्कूल में. सो वी यूज टू टेक दैट फॉर्मेट फ्रॉम द बिगनिंग ऑफ आर डायरी एंड वी यूज टू यूज दैट फॉर्मेट इन एवरी लेटर. मे बी अगर वी वॉन्ट टू टेक लीव फॉर समथिंग एल्स एंड वी वुड बी राइटिंग दैट सेम फॉर्मेट. दिस इज हाउ टेम्पलेट्स वर्क. टेम्पलेट्स हर चीज़ के आजकल ऑनलाइन अवेलेबल है, ऑफ कोल्ड मैसेजेस, ईमेल्स, ऑफ other various things like e-books के templates and how to sell cold emails for like freelancing के लिए अलग cold emails templates available हैं. If you want to get into internship and all that stuff, उसके लिए अलग templates available हैं. So templates इतने available हैं, and this business is like booming. Every time, every day it is booming. So you can try out this way. Find out your best thing. Like for example, I can write templates about cold emails and all that stuff. Write those templates, let's make it as a product. You can sell it on various sites like Topmate, you can sell it on Gumroad, you can sell it on Etsy. Etsy seller is our second point. Etsy पे you can sell various things like from handmade DIYs to anything like templates to books, anything. So Etsy seller, I don't know why it is not in that boom in India, but foreign countries mein to if you will see, you will find hundreds and thousands of people doing Etsy selling thing. They are listing their products on Etsy and they are making handsome amount through that. So Etsy is a good option. You need to check, like I haven't tried this to be very honest, but of course after talking to many people, I am recommending you this. And I can't tell you all the basic steps that you need, but of course this is a recognized way, authorized way. कोई scam नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. It's good way. However, I can't explain you in detail क्योंकि मैंने खुद ने नहीं किया. Let me try and then I'll share about Etsy in detail. So this was our second way to make money through internet. Our third way is related to content creation. Everybody nowadays is trying to be a content creator, is trying to have a personal brand, and personal brand is important. Even this is my personal brand where I am coming forth and sharing the stuff I know. Personal brand and content creation is in boom right now, and this is going to be for the whole decade. So if you can make opportunities, opportunities for you related to content creation, this is gonna be a huge opportunity for you. So here I'm going to share 3 to 4 content creation related opportunities. First is podcast management. For example, like I do podcasts virtually. I did podcasts virtually. Arranging podcasts virtually is a task. Like you have to arrange timings, then schedule a meeting, check audio or video quality, then give it for editing and all that stuff. And just think about offline. When one person is in Bangalore, other is in Mumbai, and the third one is in Delhi, and they want to have a proper setup, proper podcast, in-person podcast, how difficult it would have been, like arranging flight tickets and arranging your timings, your schedule, and then meeting at one place, and then the person who is taking podcast has to take all the equipments and everything. So how does it work? You can see like Ishan Sharma is doing podcast like this. Then Veer Alabadia, not often, but a bit of times, he also travel. Many other YouTubers do travel for just taking podcasts. So this is a business that is booming right now. If you can help content creators organize podcasts, they are ready to pay you handsome amount of money. And in this, you would have to do what is cold emailing. scheduling the podcast, like taking a sync of both the podcaster, content creator, and the guest's timing scheduled, arrange their flight tickets if it's something like that, arrange a location for them to meet in a city like Delhi or Bangalore, वहाँ पे studios available होते हैं, you have to rent out that as per that availability, you have to ensure that there are proper mic, proper cameras as per the content creator's budget and quality. So you have to organize podcast for that, and this business is literally booming. Many agencies are doing it, but of course agencies charge much more than a normal like basic content creator can afford, and if you can organize it for a basic content creator, you will make thousands and thousands of money. Next thing that is also related to content creation is our viral clips. Literally the things you see. Okay, right now थोड़े जुलाई में last year अनंत अंबानी की शादी हुई, and you were seeing all around the clips of Anand and Radhika, their dresses, the gift they got, and from their wedding the clips you were seeing. Were all they organic? Like were all people putting out and you were getting like वैसे उसको इतनी reach मिल रही थी, or there was some external force that was making it viral? Of course there was an external force. They all were called like content creators, they were called for PR and all that stuff, and फिर viral clips वहाँ से निकल के उनको आगे इतना boom जो दिया जा रहा था various platforms पे share, वो organic नहीं था. It was all a part of a big program, a big strategy. So if you can make viral clips out of content creators, podcasts, for example, Ranveer Alabadia, his podcast is like TRS is on top for 2024 also. So unke podcast se you have to find out those clips, and those clips like which can get attention, which can hook the viewer, and this is how you have to make it. Like if you can make viral clips out of a long video, for example, this video is also gonna be around 10 minutes, I don't know right now, but of course if you have that tendency like to make viral clips out of there, you can make a lot of money. Another thing again related to content creation is script writing. Script writing again, Dhruv Rathi would be paying like in lakhs to the script writers, to those who research and then write the scripts and make hooks and all those points like meaningful. Like he doesn't get in research and write all those scripts. Abhi and New, they also have a team, they also have script writers who are writing scripts for them, and if you can do this, it's a great thing. And of course you will not directly get to that level where you are working with Dhruv Rathi, Abhi and New and all those. Firstly you have to start from rock bottom, but yes, this is a good way. Even I do want script writers right now, budgets and all those constraints are there, but as my channel will grow, I'll always look for script writers who can make hooks, who can put in content, put in quotes well fitted in the scripts, so that viral clips can be made out of there. So that is the work of a script writer. And a basic script writer also charges like around 5,000 per script. This is I'm saying like average se bhi kam ka, I'm telling you about 5,000. And upmost you can go as per your skills and all creativity. Next thing is taking interviews. There is a Shark Tank पे ये product आया था, ये website आई थी, that is interview.io. I'll put the link here, I'll put the address here, and there if you are a professional, ये beginners के लिए नहीं है, but if you are a professional like have worked as like at some position and you want to help the newbies who want to get to that position, you have to take their interviews, prepare them for interviews, give them experience, give them insights, and this website and the person who is giving interview pays you. So like a website acts as an intermediate and they pay you. So this is how you can also earn. And with this we come to the end of the video. I hope you like this video. I'm not wasting your much time. Just do subscribe and comment down your favorite. This is Sameeksha Juneja signing.